have a bit more comfort. But I think the seats should be enough. If you have an empty seat close to you, you can call one of them to be seated. We actually want this place free. We need 3 seats free, so you can take one to the back. But we need 3 seats here free. So please find seats around. Thank you.
Help me go to.
All right, so we have come to the end of upper primary and lower primary category. Before we proceed, we would like to call the results, and so we can plan ahead of the award ceremony at the end of everything. But before we proceed to calling the results, my attention was called to a question that was given to little Teddy's. How many edges does a cylinder have? And the answer given was actually wrong, but they were given a mark. So at this point, before we call the final result, we're going to call back little Teddy's to be asked one more question to replace that question before we call the final result. So please, can you find yourself back to the table? Just one question, random question. Just place any question. Are you ready? All right. The year 1999, that's 1999, can be written in Roman figures as
MCMXCIX.
That's correct. A round of applause for them. All right, at this point, we'll now call the results for the lower primary, and I'll be calling someone to call the result once this last call has been updated. Let me share the link.
From before time began, he has never
All right, thank you.
Hello. Hello. I want you to know, I want to call you the results, but I want you to know that you're a winner. I'll be starting from lower primary. And I'll say the second runner-up meaning you took third position. For second runner-up, we have Leora International School. Please put your hands together for them. For today, they scored 80 points, and previously they had 50 points. So in total, they have 130 points. Please put your hands together for them. And for first runner-up, lower primary, we have Sita International School. Sita International School for today scored a total of 100 points, but previously they had 60 points, so they have total 160 points. And that's the first runner-up, they took second. And the winner for lower primary is Ashmelin International School. For today, Ashmelin scored 130 points, but previously had 40 points, so total of 170 points help them to emerge winners in lower primary. Please put your hands together for Ashmelin. For upper primary, we have the second runner-up. Second runner-up is Vigo Potent School. Vigo Potent School scored for today 50 points, and previously they had 55 points, so they have a total of 105 points. Please put your hands together for them. And the first runner-up is Ashmelin International School. For today, they scored 100 points, but previously they had 50 points. So for today, they made a total of 150 points as first runner-up. Please put your hands together for Ashmelin. The winner for upper primary is Shaw Footprint School. For today they scored 120 points, but previously had 50 points, making their total score 170 points. Please put your hands together for them as winners. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much. At the end of this tournament, we'll be giving the awards to these schools for the lower primary, second runner-up, first runner-up, and champions. And for the upper primary, same one, second, first, and the champions. But right now, we're moving to the junior secondary category. The junior secondary category. Now we have 7 in the junior secondary category, and just 3 schools will be going home as champions. So, raise up. Okay? Also, we have 5 schools in the senior secondary category, and 3 schools will be going home as champions. However, every one of us will be congratulated in one way or the other. At this point, I'll be calling out the schools for the junior secondary category, and in no particular order, we're going to move on with the quiz. Please note in this round, we're having just 10 questions. And for that 10 questions, the first participant or the first representative will be having 4 questions to answer, and then the second and third participant from that school will be having 3 questions each. So the first person will answer 4 questions, while the second and third answer 3 questions each, making it a total of 10 questions. So whosoever might be your stronghold, have the person as the first participant. Alright, in no particular order, let's call on the first school on the list, Ruby's Academy. A round of applause for them. Alright, so before we proceed, I'll see on our group that we have the results there. We're having 7 schools. We have Ruby's Academy, Ashmelin International School, Sovina International School, Valida International School, Green Oak International School, Adkin Brown Educational Center, and Leora International School. I want to believe that we have the 7 schools present. Alright. Now we proceed to Ruby's Academy. Let's have the first representative. Alright, please introduce yourself and the name of your school, then you have your seat.
My name is Cornelia Chichimedu and I'm from Ruby's Academy.
Alright. Are you ready? You have 4 questions in this round. Your first question is, "40 seconds, please, just the way we had for the upper bracket." Solve the inequality. 2x minus 5 is greater than 7.
Is greater than 12.
That's incorrect. Next question. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 36 centimeters and the length is twice the width, find the dimensions of the rectangle.
The length is 9 cm and the width is 4.5 cm.
That's incorrect. The time is up. 2 more questions to go. Subtract the binary. Subtract the binary 1101 and 101 from each other.
1000 base 2.
That's correct. And the final question. Simplify 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 4x all over x minus 2.
Zero.
That's incorrect. All right, and the time is up. That's 4 questions for the first speaker. A round of applause for them. Let's have the second questions of Ruby's Academy come up stage. Feel free, feel comfortable, relax.
My name is Precious Sarimatri. I am from Ruby's Academy.
All right, welcome, Precious. Please have your seat. You have 3 questions for this round. And the first question. Expand and simplify open bracket 2a minus 3b close bracket all squared.
Square is square minus 3b square.
That's incorrect.
Bracket open 2a minus 3b. Bracket open 2a minus 3b.
That's incorrect. The second question. Solve for x in 2 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket equal to 6.
Equals to 4.
X equal to 4. That's correct. Next question, who is the last question? The ratio of apples to oranges in a basket is 4:3. If there are 12 oranges, the ratio of apples to oranges in a basket is 4:3. If there are 12 oranges, how many apples are there? Sorry? 6. That's incorrect. All right. And that will be the third question for you. A round of applause for her as we call on the third participant from Ruby's Academy.
My name is Daniela Ruki and I'm from Ruby's Academy.
All right, Daniela. You have 3 questions, and your first question is: if a train travels at a speed of 50 miles per hour for 2 hours and 30 minutes, how far does it travel? What is the binary representation of the decimal 19?
One zero zero one one four.
One what?
10011.
In base what?
Base 2.
That's correct. Alright, that's the third question for you, and we are done. Round factors for Rubik's Academy. Junior category as we go back to the seats. And up and about, let's call Ashland International School. Junior category, Ashland International School. Where's the third representative? Please step up on stage. Your first representative should please come up. Please introduce yourself and the name of the school. I will proceed.
My name is Astor Bajibera from Ashland International School.
Astor Bajibera, welcome. Please have a seat. So you have 4 questions for this round, and your first question is 3x minus 4 is equal to 2x plus 7. Solve for x.
X 11.
X is equal to 11, that's correct. Second question. Express the following ratio 18 plus 4. 18 is to 24.
3/4.
Ratio, please.
3/4.
That's correct. That's correct. The third question. If you just a minute, please. Questions down, we have 2 more questions for this round. Alright, let's go to the third question. If A varies inversely with B and A is 12 when B is 4, find B when A is 8. That's correct. And the final question. If Y varies directly All right, are you ready? That's the fourth question. If y varies directly with x and y is equal to 15 when x is equal to 3, find the constant of variation. 5, that's correct. Round of applause for him. I think we'll have to give ourselves a 2-minute break while we fix this power hinge. Ashbury International School. This was the second distinguished for the junior category, Ashbury International School. Please your name and the school.
My name is Olubechiku and I'm from Ashbury.
All right, Olubechiku. Are you ready? The first question. You have 3 questions for this round, and this is your first question. If y is equal to 2x raised to the power of 2 plus 3x minus 1, find y when x is equal to 4.
Y is equals to 40.
Sorry?
Y is equals to 42.
40.
43.
That's correct. Second question. Factorize 4x raised to the power of 2 minus 9. Okay, no idea. And the final question. The ratio of boys to girls in a class is 3:2. If there are 15 girls, how many boys are there? Approximately.
There are 22.5 boys, but approximately 23.
A round of applause for me. Thank you very much. Let's have the final. Correct. Let's have the final representative from Ashbury International School. The 3 questions.
My name is Bethel Abu and I'm from Ashbury International.
Let's hear you clearly, please.
Bethel Abu and I'm from Ashbury International School.
All right. Let's have the seats as we proceed. 3 questions. The first one is, add the binary numbers 1011 and 1101.
11000.
What?
Is 2.
That's correct. Second question. The bag contains 5 red balls and 3 blue balls. If one ball is hit at random, what is the probability that it is red?
By 8.
3/8, that's incorrect. All right, and your final question. The recipe calls for a ratio of 2 cups of milk to 9 cups of flour. If you use 12 cups of flour, how much milk? That's an approximate value. The actual value is
One and a half.
that's incorrect. All right, and that's the end. That's the end of the round for Ashland. The round of applause for them. 10 questions successfully completed. Let's have Sovina International School. Sovina International School. A round of applause for them. Put your hands together for them. So let's have the first representative in front. Thank you. Please introduce yourself and the name of your school.
My name is Uche Kekwe and I'm from Sovina Model School.
All right, Sovina Model School. Are you ready, Uche Chukwu? The first question. A spinner has 4 equal sections colored red, blue, green, and yellow. What is the probability that it lands at red?
1/4.
1/4, that's correct. If a car travels 320 miles in 4 hours, how far can it travel in 8 hours?
640 miles.
640 miles, that's correct. Next question. A recipe calls for 3 cups of flour to make 30 cookies. How much flour will you need to make 50 cookies?
5 cups of flour.
Sorry?
5 cups of flour.
5 cups of flour, that's correct. And the final question. A fair 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling an even number or a number greater than 4?
1/3.
That's incorrect.
1/4.
That's incorrect.
1/2.
1/2. That's correct. The next person, please. You have to. All right, proceed.
My name is Wisdom. I am from Sovina Model School.
Sovina Model School, Wisdom. Are you ready? The first question. Find the mode of the numbers 18, 21, 21, 13, 25. You have just 2 trials for this option. So you said the answer is what?
25.
That's incorrect.
Answer is 21.
21, that's correct. Second question. The recipe calls for a ratio of 4 cups of sugar to 7 cups of flour. If you use 10 cups of flour, how much sugar would you use?
7 cups of sugar.
That's incorrect. All right, and the final question. A bag contains 3 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. If one marble is picked, what is the probability that it is not red?
2/5.
2/5, that's correct. A round of applause for Sovina Model School. Let's have Valida International School up on stage. Okay, sorry, we have one more. Sorry about that. So while Valida is getting prepared.
My name is Abdullah and I'm from Sovina Model School.
All right, Abdullah. Are you ready?
Yes.
The first question. A recipe calls for 3 cups of sugar to make 36 cookies. How much sugar would you need to make 48 cookies? Please let the whole be quiet. No side talk.
5 cups of sugar.
incorrect.
Four cups of sugar.
4 cups of sugar, that's correct. And the next question, which is your third exam. If a car travels 480 miles in 8 hours, what is its average speed in miles per hour?
miles per hour.
60 miles per hour, that's correct. Round of applause for me. Please let's have the previous speaker come back on stage. We need to correct the question on please come up stage. The probability question on even number or number inside of 4. So please have your seats. The one that answers the probability question of even number or a number greater than 4. Yes, 3. You have 3 questions, right? To answer 3 questions, yes. I just want to go back to the person that answered the question on. Are you the person? All right. So reading the next question for you. This next question. The recipe calls for 1 cup of sugar to make 24 cookies. How much sugar would we need to make 36 cookies? 1.5 cups of sugar. That's correct. So for the sake of record, the young man, the second participant got the question wrong, but was given the correct mark. So we just had to repeat that question to the maximum stands. All right. So we're done with the numbers. With a round of applause for them. Now let's have Valida International School. Valida International School. Junior category. So first speaker, please come up stage and introduce yourself.
I am Ikechukwu Panita of Valida International School and SS3 class.
Yes, please have your seat. All right, for the sake of the flow, once we're done, we're going to ask some questions. Are you ready for your first question? A bag contains 8 black socks and 4 white socks. If 2 socks are picked at random without replacement, what is the probability that both socks are black?
2 and 3.
That's incorrect.
Five over 6.
That's incorrect. All right, next question. The recipe calls for a ratio of 2 cups of milk to 5 cups of flour. If you use 8 cups of flour, how much milk will you use?
1/5.
3/1/5, that's correct. Third question. Find the mean of the numbers 32, 45, 27, 39, and 28.
Ball 1/5.
Sorry?
That's ball 1/5.
That's correct. And your final question? The final question, please. If a car travels 480 miles in 8 hours, how far can it travel in 12 hours?
72 miles.
That's incorrect.
720 miles.
That's correct. A round of applause for me. Let's have the next representative.
My name is Ibrahim Pamela from Ghana International School.
All right. Are we ready? First question for Pamela. A fair six-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a number less than 4?
1/2.
1/2, that's correct. Second question. A recipe calls for 1 cup of flour to make 15 muffins. How much flour will you need to make that? That's correct. And the final question. Find the mode of the following numbers 25, 32, 31, 31, 49.
31.
That's correct. A round of applause for the final representative. Are we ready?
My name is Lisa Worry. I'm a guest witness.
All right. The first question. A jar contains 10 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 5 yellow marbles. If one marble is picked, what is the probability that it is not red?
10/2.
1/2.
1/2, that's correct. Second question. If a car travels 400 miles in 5 hours, how far can it travel in 7 hours?
550 miles.
That's correct. Nobody should sit there. All right, and the final question. All right. And the final question. And the final question for Canada International School. If 6 workers can complete a task in 9 days, how many workers are needed to complete the task in 6 days? And the time is up. That's all for Canada International School. A round of applause for them. Alright, we'll have a bit of an interview, 2 minutes. We have Great Old International School here. Great Old International School. Alright, so after the 2 minutes break, we'll be having Archdeacon Brown Education Center and Leora International School for, that's the last set of schools for the junior category before we move to the senior category. 2 minutes break. the Brown Education Center, junior category 3 representative in front, please. So the first person has 4 questions to answer, second person 3, and the third 3. Are you ready? Please introduce yourself and the name of the school.
My name is Akano Basokoro. It's an interested student and I'm presenting my business at the school.
All right, please have a seat. All right, that's your question. The recipe calls for a ratio of 2 cups of flour to 3 cups of sugar. How much sugar would you need to use if you use 4 cups of flour?
6 cups of sugar.
That's correct. Next question. The next question, please. Find the mean of the numbers 72, 92, 45, 81, and 68.
$71.6 or
71.6, that's correct. The third question. The recipe calls for a ratio of 2 cups of sugar to 5 cups of flour. If you use 12 cups of flour, how much sugar would you need?
sugar.
That's correct. 4 over 4 over 5 or 4.8. And your final question. A spinner has 8 equal sections numbered 1 to 8. What is the probability of spinning an odd number?
One over 2.
1 over 2, that's correct. Next person, please. The question was not completely read, however, most answers are the same. So,
My name is Zubaji Daya, in GS3, representing American School.
all right, are you ready? The first question, you have 3 questions, and this is the first question. A recipe calls for a ratio of 5 cups of sugar to 8 cups of flour. If you use 16 cups of flour, how much sugar would you need?
10 cups of sugar.
10 cups of sugar, that's correct. Second question, if a car travels 260 miles in 6 hours, what is its average speed in miles per hour?
Miles per hour.
That's correct. The final question is, find the mode of the numbers 75, 88, 40, 40, and 64.
40.
That's correct. A round of applause for Albert School. Please speak out.
My name is Esha Isabella. I'm in grade 3 and I'm presenting Abex today.
All right. Please have a seat. Dr. Henry. Are you ready? First question. If the car travels 208 miles in 7 hours, what is the average speed in miles per hour?
40 miles per hour.
40. miles per hour. That's correct. Second question. We have a lot of recipes today. The recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar to make 36 cookies. How much would you need to make 60 cookies? Sorry?
2/1/7.
That's incorrect. And the final question. You flip 2 fair coins. What is the probability of getting 2 heads?
One over 2.
That's incorrect.
2/4.
That's incorrect. All right. Thank you very much. Deacon Brown Education Center Junior category. Round of applause for them. As we call on the final category for the junior secondary Leora International School. Put your hands together for them. Junior category Leora International School.
My name is Choba, representing Leora International School.
All right. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
You said Chizoba, right? Chioma. All right. The first question, we have 4 questions here. The first question is, if a car travels 360 miles in 6 hours, how far can it travel in 10 hours?
600.
600 what? 600 miles, that's correct. The second question, find the range of the following numbers. 59, 86, 41, 98, 70.
51.
51, that's correct.
57.
57, that's correct. The third question. Find the mean of the numbers 58, 76, 37, 63, and 52. That's correct. And your final question. A recipe calls for a ratio of 3 cups of milk to 5 cups of flour. If you use 6 cups of flour, how much milk would you need?
Serial number 3/5.
That's correct. Serial number 3/5. Let's have the next representative from Leora International School, junior category.
My name is Akulana.
Please speak out.
My name is Akulana, representing Leora International School.
All right, please have a seat. Are you ready? First question. A car is picked from a standard deck. What is the probability that it is a this car? Sorry?
1/2.
That's incorrect. Are you familiar with cards and face cards? Who is familiar with cards and face cards? Probability. Okay, just one person out of so should this be the question? All right, let's move through. Next question. You have two more questions. Find the median of the numbers 48, 61, 23, 49, 57. That's correct. And your final question. A bag contains 3 red marbles and 2 blue marbles. If one marble is hit, what is the probability it is not red?
2/5.
That's correct. Round of applause for him. And let's have the final representative of the Ora International School.
My name is Precious Ikechukwu
All right.
from the Ora International School.
Okay. Are you ready? 3 questions. Your time starts now. A die is rolled twice. What? A die is rolled twice. What probability? That's incorrect. Next question. A recipe calls cups of flour to make 18 cookies. How many cups of flour will you need to make 36 cookies?
Four cups of flour.
4 cups of flour, that's correct. And the final question for the junior secondary as well as for the Right International School. Find the mode of the numbers 65, 79, 33, 33, 57. You have just one trial.
33.
That's correct. A round of applause for the Right International School. And from the end of the junior secondary category, with one school absent, that is Green Gold International School. And we'll be moving to the senior category in the next 5 minutes. We're having the Ora International School for the senior category, Ashmead International School, Archdeacon Brown Day School, Archdeacon Brown Boarding School, and Ruby's Academy. I will be following it in this sequence. So in 5 minutes we'll be back. See you shortly. or second position or third position. Okay? But at the end of the tie-breaking round, we will be having the correct, if the ties are actually broken, we will be having the results read out. Okay? So I'm going to do it this way. This will be a tricky one at this point. I'm going to do it this way. Let's have, we have your names, okay? So if you check, it has to be correct. From Ashmelin International School, you're part of the ties. You're going to bring out the candidate whose first name is first in alphabetical order. So you're all going to call your names, and the candidate whose name is first in alphabetical order will come out to do a 5-question challenge. One person from Ashmelin, the same goes for Valida International School, the same goes for Ashmelin Brown, and the same goes for Leora International School. For one person with your first name on alphabetical order, the first person in alphabetical order from this school, your junior category, please bring out your candidates. The 4 of you, please step out. Step out. What's your name, please? Can you hand over the mic? What's your name and the name of your school? The 4 schools, your representatives should please come out. You're all going to meet at once. What's your name? Asogwa Chidera. Please, you're all going to be in this form. Asogwa Chidera. But your name is Chidera, okay, that's it. What's your name? Sorry? Okay, so which one is your first name? Like your real name, not your father's name. Please, so you're not the one. So who's the the other person? Your real name, not your father's name. Please, can I get the mic? We have your names already, we've written it this morning, so we'll confirm. What's your name? Sorry? So Choma is your real name. Let's have, what's your name? Chukwe Bukaki. Okay, that's it. So who's representing? Just stand on a straight line. Okay, you want to use the table. Can we have this table turned this way? Hello? Can we have this table turned this way? Alright, you can all utilize the table, but ensure that you see the screen. What's your name? Sorry? Jedediah. Alright, come forward. Unless you can calculate without. Now, this is how it's going to be. I'm going to read out 6 questions, one after the other. And the first person to give the answer. The first person to give the answer. And if the answer is not loud, you must not use the mic, so you won't drive the mic. Your voice has to be very loud. 6 questions. Gather as many correct answers as possible. Are you ready? I'm standing here, so if I don't hear you, that's not correct. Yes. All right, get your seat and relax. Take a shot. Can somebody just hold the mic in case somebody, yeah. So the first person that speaks, give the mic. Okay? Are you ready? Cameraman, you're blocking our screen. Are you ready? Are you ready? Please cover the screen. Your first question is. No, that's not your question. The next question, yes. If a car travels 360. Who got the questions first?
No, that's next question.
Cancel. Please, I need observers. Observers that are not from this school. Please.
55.
That's an old question.
No, that's the question.
Sorry. Okay, there is a child that stutters, so we may like to change the child. So I've got to. You don't change it. All right. Are we ready? Are we ready? Are we ready? Go. You read it on your own.
36. 49.
49. Who said 49? That's correct. What school is that? You're International School. Next question. Are you ready? I'm not reading it for you. That's the second question. That's really correct.
What's 3.2?
That's incorrect.
63.6.
That's incorrect.
63.4.
That's incorrect.
61 whole number 1 over 4.
That's incorrect.
63 whole number 1 over 5.
That's correct. 63.2. The third question. Read and answer. That's correct. Valida International School. The fourth question. Read. Back over 8, that's correct. That's Ashburn International School. The fifth question. That's correct for Valida International School. The sixth question. $3, that's correct for Valida International School. So let's check the records. If they're still time to break. I think the time actually broken, but let's call the final results. Alright, I'll probably start from our current third position. Our current third position, after the time breaking added to what was told early, is, and the highest score for the time breaking is Valida International School. However, for the actual first, second, and third position, the third position, no, let's start from the first position. You know, we started from third last time. So let's start from first. Let's start from first. Or third. Alright, the third position is, which is the second runner-up, is, I know that we have this kind of drawing. You know? So the third position for the junior category, no other than the second runner-up for the junior category is Ashbury International School. The first runner-up, which is the second position, is Valida International School. But the champions for today is Sovina Model School. A round of applause for them. In the first round, they actually had 140 points, while the tiebreakers had 130 points across. So they had to break from who's going to be second and who's going to be third. However, they are all going to be submitted. A round of applause for them and we go back to the please get ready.
I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I have ready. I know I get ready. On me, so stand up.
I will follow the road for the category.
Stand up.
Get ready.
Stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up. For the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Stand up. It's just like that.
30 seconds. And we cannot totally take them out, because if we do, you end up having questions just coming from 2 or 3 topics, and it won't be as challenging as it is. So I want to make it less challenging for you, but put you on fire. So we are still going to continue the junior secondary questions for the senior secondary. However, we will reduce the time, because the questions for the senior secondary, most of them are lengthy, and we can't stay here all day. So junior secondary, 20 seconds. Are we good to go? Are we good to go? Are we good to go? All right. All right. Let's have, from the first school, Leora International School, let's have 3 representatives from the senior secondary category. I should have reduced this to 15 seconds. But let's try. If there are ties to break, we'll reduce the time. So time, keep out 20 seconds for each question. They are senior category, so 20 seconds each question, and we'll be having 4 questions per participant. So everybody will be answering 4 questions each. Are we good to go? So let's have the first person from Leora International School. Please step up, state your name, the school, and proceed.
My name is Kakiola Bisola. I'm from Leora International School.
All right, are you ready? You don't have writing material? All right. And your first question is? Find the mode of the numbers 48, 61.
23.
23, that's correct. Next question. If 2 pairs... Oh, really? All right. Thank you for that. All right, the first question, convert 11011011 from base 2 to base 10 and multiply your answer by the square of 7. Time's up. Second question. Subtract the binary numbers 1101 and 1010.
Level based.
What is 11?
1 based.
Alright, that's correct. Third question. That's correct. If angle A measures 40 degrees, what is the measure of its complementary angle?
50.
That's correct. Fourth question. Convert 11010101 from base 2 to base 10 and multiply your answer by the square of 11. Alright, now the 4 questions complete. Let's have the second. Alright, are you ready? Alright, question number 1. In a trapezoid, if one angle measures 80 degrees, what is the measure of each of the other 3 angles? Sorry, the question is invalid. Cannot be determined. Let's move to the next question, please. In a hexagon, what is the sum of the angle of the interior angles? Alright, second question. In a triangle, if one angle measures 80 degrees and another measures 45 degrees, what is the measure of the third angle?
Degrees.
55 degrees, that's correct. Third question. If angle P measures 150 degrees, what is the measure of
30 degrees.
30 degrees, that's correct. And your final. In a quadrilateral, if the sum of 3 angles is 270, what is the fourth angle?
Degrees.
Sorry?
90 degrees.
That's correct. Round of applause for him. Anne. All right. Are you ready? Solve the equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 17.
X equals to 4.
That's correct. Find the area of the triangle with base 5 centimeter and height 8 centimeter.
20 centimeters.
20 centimeter.
20 centimeters square.
That's correct. What? Please, somebody help her with some paper. Now, third question. What is the area of a circle with a radius of 3 centimeters?
Centimeters.
28.26, that's correct. And the final question. If a shirt originally cost $40 and is now on sale for 30% off, what is the same price?
$12.
That's incorrect. Sorry? That's incorrect. And that's all for Leora International School. One of our applause for them. All right, let's have the second school, Ashmelin International School. Senior category, Ashmelin International School. Let's have the first speaker.
My name is David from Ashman International School.
All right, so down, David. The first question in 20 seconds. Find the value of x in the equation 2 into bracket x minus 3 close bracket equal to 4x plus 5.
Minus 5.5.
That's correct. Second question. If a student answers 80% of the questions correctly on the test with 50 questions, how many questions did they answer correctly? 40, that's correct. Solve the equation 2 into bracket x minus 1 close bracket plus 3 into bracket 2x plus 5 close bracket equal to 4x minus 2. That's incorrect.
13/4.
That's incorrect. 13/4 is what?
4.25.
That's incorrect. All right. The final question. Solve the equation 5 into bracket 2x minus 3 close bracket plus 2 equal to 3 into bracket 4x plus 1 close bracket minus 5.
Minus 5.5.
Minus 5.5, that's correct. All right, let's have the next representative in front.
My name is Favor and I'm from Ashman International.
All right, Favor. Let's go. Favor, your first question. If a class has 25 students and 40% of them are boys, how many are girls? That's actually after the bell. Next question. A car's value depreciates by 12% each year. If the original value of the car was $20,000, what will be its value after a year? All right, the third question. A company's revenue increased from 500,000 to 800,000. By what percentage did the revenue increase?
No.
Sorry? A company's revenue increased from 500,000 to 800,000. By what percentage did it increase? That's incorrect. And the final question. If a student scores 90% on the test, what is their grade as a percentage? Sorry? That's correct. Round of applause for her. All right, the final.
My name is Akwende Island, and I'm from Ashland International School.
All right, are you ready?
Yes.
All right. Have a seat. Get your pens out. Your question starts now. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with 98 centimeter and 5 centimeter?
26 centimeters.
That's correct. Calculate the perimeter of a parallelogram with base 6 centimeter and height 4 centimeter.
What is that? 20 centimeters.
20 centimeter, that's correct. A spinner has 6 equal sections numbered 1 through 6. What is the probability of an even number?
1 over 2.
1 over 2. And the final question. Find the value of x in the equation 2 into bracket x plus 1 close bracket minus 3 into bracket x minus 2 close bracket equal to 4 minus x. All right, thank you very much. And then the final question for...
Please, what is the answer?
We'll give you the answer later. You can go back and solve. Thank you. Okay, please come back. Please come back. That question will be repeated. Please come back. That question will be repeated. Yes, please speak somewhere. All right. One more question for. If a student scores increase from 75 to 80%, what is the percentage increase?
5%.
That's incorrect.
Fifteen over 4.
That's incorrect. All right. And so let's have the boarding school of Archdeacon Brown Educational Center. That's the third school out of 5 schools we're going to be having for this category. Archdeacon Brown Educational Center boarding school. So I believe in the next 15 minutes we should be done. Everything that concerns the quiz and up to the awards. Are we ready? First speaker, please. Let's make this as fast as possible. Please, can we know you?
My name is Hepzibah Nagmi. I'm from Abedbody.
All right, Hesba, are you ready? The first question. Calculate the area of a square with a diagonal length 10 centimeters.
$50 centimeters square.
50 centimeters square, that's correct. Second question. Find the solution to the equation 3x to the power of 2 minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0.
One over 3 and 1.
1 over 3 or
1
for
x.
Alright, that's correct. The third question. If a store sells a product for $80 and makes a 5% profit, what is the cost of the product?
$64.
$64, that's correct. And the final question. If 6 apples cost $3, how much will 10 apples cost?
$5.
$5, that's correct. Around fabulous. Let's have the second representative.
My name is Monachi Bochi and I'm from Abedbody.
Alright, Monachi, are you ready? Nachi. Alright. Next question. X degrees is a supplementary angle to 42. What is the value of x?
138 degrees.
138 degrees, that's correct. Second question. What is 199 in binary?
One 1100111 base 2.
That's correct. Sorry? She already said 1. She already said 1 after, before, just by the bell. There's something after the bell and when it's same time with the bell, okay? Alright. The third question. What is 25% of 90?
22.5.
22.5, that's correct. The fourth question. Solve the equation 4 into bracket 2x plus 3 minus 3 open bracket x minus 1 close bracket equal to 5 minus 2x.
Minus 1.
That's incomplete.
X equals minus 1.
That's incomplete. That's incorrect. Alright. And those are your 4 questions, right? Thank you very much. Let's have the next person.
I am Praise speaker from Komachi.
Alright, Praise. Are you ready? First question. If it takes 4 hours for 8 workers to complete the job, how long will it take for 16 hours, 16 workers to complete the same job? That's correct. Second question. If a car travels 60 miles in 2 hours, how far will it travel in 5 hours?
150 miles.
150 miles, that's correct. Next question. A store offers 15% discount on all items. If a customer buys a shirt for $35, how much will they pay after the discount? That's incorrect. And your final question? A coin is flipped 3 times. What is the probability of getting at least one head? That's incorrect. All right, and time is up. Thank you very much. A round of applause for them. While we have the Abek Day School representative, please come on stage with your first speaker in front.
My name is Emmanuel and I'm from Abek.
All right, Emmanuel, are you ready? Your first question, Emmanuel. A bag contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 4 green balls. What is the probability of drawing a red ball? 5/12, that's correct. Second question. Find the solution to the equation x raised to the power of 2 plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Third question. Find the area of a trapezoid with base 6 cm, 10 cm, and height 8 cm. That's correct. All right, thank you very much. And your final question. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon with a side length of 7 centimeters. All right, thank you very much. Let's have the next speaker for Abek Day School.
My name is Munatusa from Ashton Brown East.
Are you ready? All right, Munatusa, your first question. If the population of a city increases from 500,000 to 600,000, what is the percentage increase? That's incorrect. Second question. The students scored 80% of the test. What is the percentage of questions? What percentage of questions did they answer correctly?
8%.
80%, that's correct. Third question. Solve the equation 4 into bracket 3x minus 2 close bracket minus 2 into bracket 2x plus 1 close bracket equal to 3 into bracket 5 minus x close bracket. right, and your final question. Recipe calls for 2 cups of milk and you want to make only 75% of the recipe. How many cups do you need? One point five, that's correct. You have applause for her. You have the final representative for LMD. Now when that's happening, Louis Academy, please get ready. You're the last or final school for the senior secondary category, as we call it a day. Are you ready? What's your name? Can I hear you, please? All right, Victoria. The first question. If a store sells 50% discount on all items and the customer buys the shirt originally priced at $60, how much will they pay? $30. Please speak out to for second question. Yes, correct. $30. Find the solution to the equation 2x raised to the power of 2 minus 7x plus 3 equals 0.
X is equal to 3 or 1.
That's correct. Third question. Solve the equation 2 into bracket 3x minus 1 close bracket plus 5 equal to 3 into bracket 2x plus 4 close bracket minus 1. Sorry, we'll skip that, no solution of that. So you still have 2 more questions to go. So next question. Find the perimeter of the rectangle with length 15 cm and width 7 cm. Sorry? 44 cm. And your final question. If a student answers 5% of the questions correctly on the test, which with 40 questions, how many questions did they answer correctly? Sorry?
30.
That's correct. He said 40, 30. He said 40 and 10, 30. But I wanted her to speak out now before the bell rang. Okay? Alright, thank you. Alright, round of applause for Abeg Day School. And for the final school in the tournament, Ruby's Academy. The round of applause for them. All right, first speaker, please come forward. Please introduce yourself and the name of the school.
My name is Chioma Chinedu and I attend Ruby's Academy.
Chioma Chinedu, Ruby's Academy. Can we have, are you ready? First question, please. Solve the equation 3 into bracket 2x plus 1 minus 4 into bracket x minus 3 close bracket equal to 5.
X is equal to minus 5.
That's correct. Second question. X degrees, 2x degrees, and 4x plus 10 degrees are angles at a point. What is the value of x?
50 degrees.
That's correct. Third question. Find the solution to the equation 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0.
+1 and +2/3.
That's correct. And the final question. What is the perimeter of the square?
40 cm.
That's correct. Round of applause for. That was our senior category winner of the last written competition. First position, senior category. So let's have your name, please.
My name is Bimba from Academy.
Please use the mic.
My name is Bimba Kakadela from Ruby's Academy.
All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
First question. Calculate the area of a triangle with side length 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 9 centimeter. That's correct. That's an approximate value. Next question. What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side length of 9 centimeter? What is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle with side length of 9 centimeter?
7
Please think out it. 7 what?
centimeters.
That's correct. The third question. A laptop's price decreased by 15%. What is the original price? If the original price was 1,000, what is the new price? 850 what? That's correct. And the final question for today. Kindly ignore the 22 there. Find the value of x in the equation 3 close bracket x minus 2 close bracket plus 4 is equal to 2 close bracket x plus 3 close bracket.
X equals to 7.
That is correct. The round of applause. Let's have the final representative.
My name is Emmanuel. I represent Ruby's Academy.
Emmanuel, the time starts now. If two girls shared $18,000 in the ratio 5:4, how much did the girl with the less share get?
The answer is 8,000.
8,000 what?
$1,000.
That's correct. Second question. The price of a phone is increased by 10%. If the original price was $500, what is the new price?
Answer is $450.
Answer is what?
$450.
That's incorrect. All right, so third question. A company's revenue decreased from $1 million to $800. By what percentage did it decrease? Did the revenue decrease?
It's 20%.
That's correct. And your final question. Find the volume of a cube with side length 5 centimeters.
$125 centimeter cube.
That's correct. A round of applause for Emmanuel. Put your hands together for yourselves. It's possible that there may be ties, so whatever it is right now, we're going to find out after the judges 10. Reasons being that you may not have equivalent questions for everybody. Okay? And the thing is that tough questions go around as well as easy questions. If my school, I'm giving an instance, if my school gets a very difficult question, I'm sure you as a teacher will not defend your school, right? But then if you have to address every issue today, looking at the time frame and the rest of it, we may not be here. Okay? Let's take this as a win-win for us all, as a learning process for us all, even for us as a brand. Okay? Before we proceed to calling final results, we'd like to break the tie on two schools, and as well, I will tell you the positions of this tie breaking. We'd like to break the tie for the Ora International School and African Ground Education Center board. So we'll have the first alphabetical order by name representative from each of the schools to step out for a battle of 5 questions. All right. Let's have 2 chairs for them. 5 questions. Let's let one person ask to win. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Please, I need observers. Observers. And someone with the mic. Someone with the mic. Observers. Are we ready? So 5 questions, fastest answer. And the question is, the area of the square root length side. So I won't be reading it for you. Okay? Are you ready? Next question. Correct. Add the ground -3 and -2. 3 more questions. Sorry, 4 more questions. Sorry?
10.25%.
One is correct. One is correct.
.25 correct, your school. 3 more questions to go. 15th year, that's correct. Here's the answer. I bet so. 2 more questions to go. Sorry? That's correct. Final question. That's correct. That's correct. Round of applause for them. while we prepare the final results.
All winners is the OPU bag. For senior secondary, we have the second runner-up, Lura International School. Please put your hands together for Lura. The first runner-up is, meaning it took second, is Archdeacon Brown Educational Center. Please put your hands together for them. And the first and the winner is no other. Please, a standing ovation for them. A standing ovation for them. Please stand for them. And start clapping. Put your hands together for them. Ruby's Academy. Please put your hands together for them. Ruby's Academy. Ruby's Academy.
So the next thing I will pay you ready for your awards. Congratulations to everyone. And you a wonderful moment for us. All right, so the time has come. The time has come, and a round of applause for yourselves again. You've all done amazingly well. You've all done amazingly well. In the upper primary, we had about 10 schools that started this journey, and you are part of the top 3 schools that qualified for not just being a finalist, but you're going home as a champion today. A round of applause for yourselves. Lower primary, upper primary, junior secondary, and senior secondary. As a matter of fact, you're a product of hard work and dedication of not just yourself, but your amazing teachers and schools. One more time, this special round of applause is for your teachers. Put your hands together for them. The pain they go through in building you up and presenting you for this wonderful opportunity, you cannot measure it. At this point, before I start your awards, I'm going to be awarding your teachers first. I'll be awarding your teachers first. So I would like to call one of our team members, Mr. Jaja, to step up the stage. All right. All right.
To be the best, number one, and nothing less.
I'm going to call on
Destiny.
an amazing teacher that have groomed, in fact, every teacher that will step up here has groomed these children into what they are today. And for the fact that you're champions, they deserve an accolade. So put your hands together for Mr. Victor Aniekan Anyensi. A round of applause for Mr. Victor Aniekan. Put your hands together. An amazing feat for Mr. Victor. An amazing feat for Mr. Victor. Congratulations. This is for your amazing effort in grooming outstanding children over the years. National Mathematics Tournament is super proud of you. Put your hands together for him. Let's call on Mr. Collins. Sorry, apologies. Dr. Collins at the Mediwan PhD in Mathematics. A round of applause for this amazing teacher. Amazing teacher. Congratulations. This is wonderful. At this point, let's go to Mr. Paul Zino. Paul Zino. From Sisa International School. A round of applause for Mr. Paul Zino.
To be the best, number one, nothing less. Lead me to
it is now said, let's welcome Mr. Alawa Baribore. Alawa Baribore. Put your hands together. Clap those hands together. Let us call on Mr. Joshua Chukuma. Mr. Joshua Chukuma. A round of applause. Clap those hands for Mr. Joshua. As well as Mr. Chabi. Mr. Chabi. Put your hands together for Mr. Chabi. From Abbott, first principal right here. And while we're waiting for Mr. Clifford, let's have Mr. Timothy Elelewo. Mr. Timothy Elelewo. Jam those hands together. These are mathematicians. Mathematicians by speed. This is Mr. Clifford. A round of applause for Mr. Clifford. Jam those hands together. Let us also welcome Mr. Peter Guzman. Mr. Peter Guzman. An amazing mathematician. Congratulations. Let us also welcome Makinde Maximus. Makinde Maximus. Jam those hands together. Put your hands together for this amazing teacher.
Oh, I have vision, can't you see?
And in the absence of Mr. Paul, you know, we have, if you are one of the coaches of these children, please meet us at the extreme right of the hall and register your name, okay? As we're working with just the names we have presently. Now we are going to move to we are going to move into the awards proper, and we are going to start from the lower primary category.
And when I'm all down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I'm all down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I'm all down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I'm all down, I have to pick myself back up.
Lower primary teacher of Yora International School, please step up. The lower primary teacher of Yora International School, please come on stage. Let us also have the lower primary teacher of Sita International School, please come on stage. Lower primary of Sita International and Yora International School, please come on stage.
The best, number one, nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, no, I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, stand up. For the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, stand it's getting close. Now it's just one thing most. It's just like that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up,
Let us also have the upper primary teacher of Vigo Potent School and the upper primary teacher of Ashbury International School.
and when I'm all down, myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself up. Stand up, stand up, stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, for the champions, for the champions. To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions.
Let's have the teacher of Validia International School, Junior Secondary, please come forward.
To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. It's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just like that's how it is. Cause we have our strengths and
Let's have little tennis, teacher of little tennis, please come on stage.
stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up. And when I fall
Sevilla International School, please come on stage. Teacher of Sevilla International School, please come on stage.
for the champions, for the champions, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up, stand up. Just lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision, though I believe. I know I can count on you. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions.
The teacher of Adam Brown is please come up stage. Alan Day, please come up stage. So we can kick off this award. I wanted to be sure the certificates in the names of the children.
It's just like that's how it is, 'cause we have our strengths and weaknesses. Oh, I have vision, can't you see? I'm on the move, make believe. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. And when I fall down, I have to pick myself back up.
All right. So we won't be wasting much of our time. I'm going to be calling certain names in no particular order. We want to award every other person before we start. The first to third position, junior, secondary, senior, secondary, lower, and upper primary. So we are awarding every other person before we proceed to the schools that had fourth positions and above. We'll be calling the names in particular order to hasten the time. But before I do that, I have 4 teachers to acknowledge here. Let's call on Mr. Joshua Josiah Agani. Mr. Josiah Agani. We have a caption for our teacher, Mr. Joshua Agani. Let's call on Wala Betel. Put your hands together for Wala Betel. Let us call on Obona Eberechi. Obona Eberechi. Put your hands together for Miss Eberechi. Obona.
I have vision, no, I believe.
You're not clapping. You're not clapping. Are you jealous? Are you jealous? Let's call on Mr. Leonard Godwin. Mr. Leonard Godwin. Put your hands together.
For the champions, for the champions.
If you're pastor, I will call you name. Okay. On behalf of Big Up Tech School, Mr. Ojochukwu Ojina. Mr. Ojochukwu Ojina. Thank you very much. Now, children, you'll be hearing your names. Before I proceed to the third position of each chancellor, I'd like to award every other student that has made it to the finals today. Put your hands together for Emmanuel Ada. Emmanuel Ada. A round of applause for him. Let us have Precious Sarimachi. Precious Sarimachi. Join those hands together for her. Let us also have Okonkwo Munachimso. Munachimso Okonkwo. Put your hands together. While that is happening, let's have amazing children right here. David Favor. While David is receiving the award, let's have a former David. A former David. Jump those hands together. Encourage the amazing children. Adjuan Emmanuel. Adjuan Emmanuel. Adjuan Emmanuel. Only children. Only children. Amazing children right here. Only children. Daniela Olipe. Daniela Olipe. Clap your hands together for Precious Ikechukwu. Precious Ikechukwu. Precious Ikechukwu. While Precious is stepping forward, let's have Hakeem Afolayan. Hakeem Afolayan. Put your hands together for Hakeem Afolayan. Chioma Ikwebu. Chioma Ikwebu. And at this point, once Chioma receives the award, let us have the third position, lower primary. The third position, lower primary. That's the second runner-up, lower primary. From Leora International School, let's have the Light Kingdom. The Light Kingdom, put your hands together for her. While she's coming out, she's an amazing champion. Put your hands together for the Light. Let us have Eva Bamidele. Eva Bamidele. Eva Bamidele. And then let's have faith. And then faith. Jump those hands together. This is one of my specials. An amazing participant. Very bold, very outspoken, very smart. Jump those hands together for Leora International School, third position. And then, on behalf of Leora International School, let's have somebody receive the award on their behalf. A round of applause. Jump those hands together. Second runner-up, lower primary. Thank you very much. Let's move to the third position, upper primary. Third position, upper primary. That is Vigo Protect School. Third position, upper primary. Let's have Alexis Ezra. Alexis Ezra. Put your hands together for Alexis Ezra. Jump those hands together. Let us have Joshua Ikele. Joshua Ikele from Vigo Protect School, second runner-up, upper primary, amazing gold medalist, wonderful. And let's have Crown Nwachukwu. Crown Nwachukwu. Jam those hands together for Crown. And then on behalf of the top 10, let's have someone receive the award for the school. An amazing school. Vigo Protect School. Jam those hands together. Congratulations. And then let's move to the junior secondary, second runner-up. secondary to Ashbury International School. Second runner of junior secondary Ashbury International School. Let's have Betel Abdul. Betel Abdul. Jump those hands for Betel. And we also have Asogwa Chidera. Asogwa Chidera. Please step up Asogwa Chidera. While Asogwa is coming up, let's have Yakubu Lawal Ebubechukwu. Yakubu Lawal Ebubechukwu. That was our first position when he was in upper primary category. Now he's in junior secondary and is achieving a whole lot. Yakubu Lawal Ebubechukwu Prodigy. Join those hands together for an amazing feat. And someone received the award on behalf of Ashbury International School, second runner-up for the junior secondary category, oral mathematics. Join those hands together. And for the senior secondary category, senior secondary category, second runner-up, Leora International School. Leora International School. Let's have Akiola Abisala. Akiola Abisala. Down those hands together for Akiola Abisala. A round of applause. Let's also invite Beden from Leora International School, senior category, Beden and let's have Humphrey Fortress, Leora International School, senior category. Put your hands together for them. Let's also have, at this point, their teacher, the approach to receive the award, and the second runner of oral competition, River State edition of the National Mathematics Tournament. Put your hands together for Leora International School. Congratulations. Let's have Mr. Precious step up stage to award for the second best runner-up of all categories. Alright, let's have first runner-up lower primary category, Sita International School. Let's have Umaye Sule, Kimberly, please step up stage. A round of applause. First runner-up, lower primary, Sita International School. Put your hands together for Kimberly. Let's also have Obasi Zilmachi from Sita International School. Let's also have Onyeme Chukwa Gozikam. God has been let's put our hands together for Sita International School, second position. That's first runner-up. And please, the coach to please step up and receive the award of the first runner-up, Sita International School. Any representative from Sita International School, please step up to receive the award.
I have to pick myself back up.
Put your hands together for them. Put your hands together for them. Second position, first runner-up, upper primary, no other than Ashbury International School. First runner-up, let us call on Elewa Ibaku Sarima. Elewa. Put your hands together, first runner-up, gold medalist.
To be the best.
round of applause for her as she buys an award. Then also have Divine Obodo. Divine Obodo. Please don't cover your eyes. Divine Obodo. Let's have one divine. God bless her. Jordan Ozumba. Jordan Ozumba. A round of applause. Put your hands together.
For the champions, stand up. For the champions,
Let's have a teacher from Ashmelin International School to receive the award on behalf of the upper primary Ashmelin International School. Someone will receive the award on behalf of the children. A round of applause. Put your hands together for them.
Once at most, it's just like that.
Let's have the first runner up, junior secondary. Junior secondary, please nobody should leave. It should be done in the next 10 minutes. Nobody should leave. The gate is set that people are present where you are awarded and you leave before the end of the award. Okay. Valida International School, junior secondary, first runner up. Let's have Ike Chukwebuka. Jam your hands together for Ike Chukwebuka. As he's coming out, let's have Pamela Ibado. Pamela Ibado. Put your hands together for these amazing children. Congratulations. Let's have Pamela Ibado. Let's also have Warren Blossom. Warren Blossom. Warren Blossom. Jam your hands together for Blossom. And somebody from Valida International School to please receive the award on behalf of Valida International School.
stand up, stand up.
Jump your hands together. Let us welcome first runner up, senior secondary category from Archdeacon Brown Educational Center, Nachi Ugochi. Jump your hands together.
For the champions, for the champions.
Archdeacon Brown International, Archdeacon Brown Educational Center. Let's also have Nnamdi Hezika.
To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to
Let's also have Nnamdi Hezika.
waited patiently.
Nnamdi Hezika.
I have vision, oh I believe. I know I can count me. So stand up for the champions. For the
Let's also have Pick Up or Praise. Pick Up or Praise. Jump your hands together for Pick Up or Praise.
For the champions, stand up. For the champions, for the champions, stand up. Stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, for the champions.
A round of applause for their coach. An amazing team. Ahmed, Craig, Ronan. A wonderful.
It's just like that's how it is, cause we have our strength.
And at this point, the champions for this edition of the River State Oral Tournament. River State Oral Tournament. Let's have Mr. David to please award the children from the team. Mr. David, please come up stage. All right, are you ready? The lower primary category. First position, lower primary. Put your hands together for Ashmeline International School. Welcome, Baruko Bona. Baruko Bona. Join your hands together. Lower primary category. First position, champion. Let us have Alisa and Jennifer Alisa. Let us have Kingsley P. Kingsley, a round of applause for Kingsley.
Here we go. It's getting close. Now it's just who wants it most. It's just like that's how it is.
Now let's have the coach to receive the trophy, the award, as the first position, the winner of the National Mathematics Tournament lower primary category. Jam your hands together for Ashmeline International School. Let's also have the coach receive a medal, a gold medal for the coach of the first position. Congratulations. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Let's have the winners of the upper primary. Shaw Footprint School, that's Little Teddy's School. Jam your hands together. The winners of the upper primary. Let us call on Grace Evans Robinson. Jam your hands together.
To be the best, number one and nothing less. Lead to my destiny. I have waited.
Let's also have Adiela Amadi Emina. Adiela Amadi Emina. Jam your hands together.
For the champions, stand up, stand up, stand up. For the champions, stand up.
Let us have Dominica Ariolu Daniel. Dominica Ariolu Daniel. These are the champions of the upper primary. And you are just sitting like that. You are not clapping. You are not clapping. Let's have the coach receive their award as the winners of the upper primary category, as well as a gold medal for the coach. Jam your hands together.
I'm on the move, make way for me. Stand up. For the champions, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. For the champions, stand up. For the champions, stand up.
All right. And that is for the upper primary, the junior secondary champions, Sofina Model School. Put your hands together for Sofina Model School. Jam those hands together as we welcome Dinosaur Uche Kekwe, I don't know if I'm correct. Jam those hands together for this amazing champion. First position, junior secondary. We also have Moses Wisdom. Moses Wisdom. Jam those hands together for Moses Wisdom. Let us have Aminu Abdullahi. Aminu Abdullahi. Coach of Sofina Model School for receiving the award, and the Jam those hands together. Let's also welcome the senior secondary champions. The senior secondary champions, no other than Ruby's Academy. Ruby's Academy, let's welcome Chioma Chinedu. Chioma Chinedu, jam those hands together. Amazing champion. Chioma Chinedu. Adela Pista. Adela Pista. Let's have Adela. Let's also have Emmanuel Odihili. Emmanuel Odihili. Amazing gold medalist from the National Mathematics Tournament. Put your hands together for them. Congratulations. At this point, let's have the coach of Ruby's Academy receive the award as the champions and the gold medal for raising amazing champions. Jam those hands together. Put your hands together. Congratulations. I have waited. Congratulations. I have vision. Put your hands together for them. I know I can count on me. So stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up. Amazing. Congratulations. Senior category. Put your hands together and the whole is almost empty. Thank you very much for joining the National Mathematics Tournament oral competition. Our written competition is to hold this Saturday. You are highly welcome to register and participate for more amazing prizes. Congratulations, and this will be all for now. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for being part of this tournament. We have awarded amazing, outstanding children in this city, and it will be recorded from now to time to come that they are wonderful and amazing mathematicians. Thank you very much. I remain your humble host.